Hello everyone, I am Rohit from Futureroots, and in this video we are going to see how easy it is to transfer a WordPress website from one hosting account to another. Step 1. Taking backup. It is as simple as installing a plugin and downloading from there. In our case, we won't be using a plugin, we will be directly downloading the data from our cPanel account. You will need to download 3 files in easy steps to back up your WordPress website completely. Let's start with the download then. Log in into your cPanel account and open File Manager under the Files section. Open the public_HTML section, the one with the globe icon, and locate the wp-content folder. We need to download this one, and for that, right click on the folder and click Compress. Compress it into a zip file, and once that's done, download it on your computer. That's it. Once the zip file has been downloaded successfully, stay on the same page and scroll down a bit. Locate the wp-config file, right click and download that one as well. With 2 files already downloaded, we only need to download the database of the website. For that, we need to go back to the cPanel homepage. Once you're there, scroll down to the Databases section and open PhpMyAdmin. Now, what we here need to do is that we need to download all of the database entries. For that, select the Check All option at the bottom of the page and click Export from the top menu lane. On the next page, make sure that you are downloading the database in .sql format. With that, we have successfully taken the backup of our website. Now we need to upload that on the new hosting account. Let's start with step 2, that is uploading the backup. In this segment of the video, we will learn on how to upload the backup to a new server. The first step here is to install WordPress in your new hosting account. For that, what you need to do is log in into your new cPanel account, scroll down till you see the WordPress icon and click to open it. Create a WordPress account on this server using the existing username and password. With the installation complete, we are left with the uploading of the backup that we have. The first step starts with the uploading of content files. Access the public_HTML folder within the File Manager section. Now we need to delete the content files on this installation. Right click and delete the wp-content folder, and once you are done with that, upload the wp-content.zip file and extract it. You may also want to delete this .zip file now, because we do not need it anymore and it is just going to take additional space. The second step here is to upload the database. Remember the .sql files we backed up from the other server? We are going to upload the same files. Go back to the cPanel homepage and open PhpMyAdmin. Click on your database, and once again we will delete all existing entries and replace them with our backup entries. Once the database entries are showing in the right column, select all of them using the Check All option just below the entries, and to its right you will see a drop down option that says with selected. Click on that and select the drop option to confirm database deletion. Import the database using the import option on the top bar here, and simply upload the database files in the SQL format. With our main files already uploaded, the last thing to do is to link the database with the content files. This can be done by updating the wp database prefix in the wp-config file. The wp prefix is the database prefix of your website. It acts as a storage of your data under their associated names. As you can see in the video, we have highlighted this in yellow for easy reference and convenience. Copy this prefix entry and go back to the public_HTML area inside the File Manager section. There, locate the wp-config file and right-click on the file to edit it. Save the file, and yes, That's it. We have successfully transferred your website to a new server. One important thing, if you're moving or switching the hosting providers, you will need to update the DNS with your domain registrar. I hope you have already done that. In case you haven't, update the DNS or A records with the new hosting provider and check the results. The website should be working. Let's check that in the browser. Fill in the domain name in the URL and yes, it's working. If you are looking forward to copy the website to another domain name, you must be thinking what else needs to be done. Just follow the same steps that we followed earlier with one additional step. Go to PhpMyAdmin and open the database. Locate the wp prefix _ options and change the domain names as shown in the video. Just by changing the domain names, you will be able to completely migrate the website from one domain name to another. Having said that, this is a WordPress website and you will need to manage the permalinks sections manually. Once you have updated the URLs, check the URL in the browser and it should be working. See, in our case it's working now and we have successfully migrated the domain names.